According to China EV Post, Svolt Energy has suspended construction on 2 battery factories in Germany. The company, which was spun off from Great Wall Motor, had planned to build a battery module and pack plant in Saarland and a cell plant in Brandenburg. The Saarland plant was initially expected to be completed by mid-2024, with a design capacity of 24 gigawatt-hours, while the Brandenburg cell plant was set to open in 2025. However, both projects are now on hold due to financial difficulties. Svolt is struggling to maintain operations in China and cannot afford the estimated $4.2 billion investment needed for the European plants. The decision to halt construction was based on Svolt's own financial constraints rather than technical or policy issues. Svolt ranks as the 8th largest battery maker in China, with a 2.36% market share, far behind market leaders CATL and BYD, which hold 44% and 24% of the market, respectively. Chinese battery prices have fallen significantly due to slowing growth in the new energy vehicle sector and lower raw material costs. Svolt is also facing fierce competition from larger players, leading to internal restructuring and layoffs. You are listening to Yuan News.